Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Zoom on your laptop and signing in, or choosing Join with Meeting ID. Once done, enter the meeting ID and passcode exactly, then click Join. When prompted, allow Zoom to access your microphone and camera so others can see and hear you. Make sure you select the correct camera and microphone from the device menu. If you see a waiting room message, stay on and wait. The host will admit you shortly. You now confirm audio and video work before staying in the meeting. Open Settings and run the speaker and microphone test. Choose the device that plays clear sound and shows a steady input level. Once satisfied, check video settings, pick your camera, and enable background blur or virtual background if needed. During class, use the mute button or press spacebar to speak temporarily. Also, remember keyboard shortcuts save time. You finish by participating. Use chat for questions, raise hand to speak, and reactions for quick feedback. To present, click Share Screen, choose the specific window or entire screen, then click Stop Share when finished. If something goes wrong, try quick fixes. Mute/unmute, switch cameras, or leave and rejoin the meeting. If problems persist, restart Zoom or your laptop, test devices in settings, and as a last resort, join from the browser instead of the app to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.